have routers here. When you're using router, when you're going to use the other places. But for LAN itself, you don't need to have a router. For LAN itself. But if you want to connect somewhere, you've got LAN, but it's not because you've got router, but it's not because you're using LAN. Because you're going to use the other way.
What does it doing?
I will tell you. I don't know, next two slides.
Okay.
Okay?
So whenever I want to connect to another users, it means that I'm going to use LAN. Use routers.
Now the point is, just accept this picture, and after that, in next two slides, I will explain more about the routers. In LAN, we don't have routers.
Okay, I got it.
Okay?
So we have some computers.
If you've got another scenario for connecting or let the other people connect to you, you may use routers. It's not always. We're going to explain in what conditions we're going to use routers. Yeah. Any problem? Okay. As I said, you don't have anything called internet. There are different LANs that are connected together through routers. But in each LAN, you don't need any routers. But when you're going to connect your LAN to the other LANs, you need routers. Okay? So, internet is not some giant thing. It's really a combination of different computers in different LANs. That's all. You know that. That we call it global mesh. Global mesh means global mesh. So, that's the slide that I was talking about. Left here. Okay. I will start from here because I have to wait for it. We've got lots of different things inside our networks. First of all, the wireless media. I'm using wireless for connecting to the network. So, and this is the style for showing that we're doing wireless things. LAN media is a straight line. WAN media, hello. This is, and please do not go outside because the other thing, that's what we have to say. As you said, is this LAN or no? Is this WAN or no? I'm saying no. This makes a WAN. But if you want to show that you connect things and you're making a WAN, this is the sign for it. But this is not WAN. This is not WAN. This is
WAN means two
wide area networks. Different networks that are connected.
Yeah.
Like global mesh. Yes. So, I can start from here. We've got routers. Routers can route your IP. What does it mean? What does it mean? Where are you now? In the library. So is it enough for anyone to find us? No. But it's enough for people who knows that we are in BTH. Yeah. Where in BTH? Is it in Wannabe? No, in Karlskrona. So, if they are existed in the Karlskrona BTH campus,
and they know
it means that they are in our LAN. If you told them that I'm going to the group room in the library, so they will find you easily. But if you say to someone, I'm going to the library, I will meet you there. Where? Library? Where?
Which library?
Which library? Which city?
LAN?
Yes. Where are you? So, consider your LAN as a building. Routers can go outside the building. If you're sending a letter, if I'm going to your house, you say that I'm in Kungsmarken, I don't know, type building number 5. So that would be enough.
You are together, and he will tell you number 90 because you know he lives in Kungsmarken.
But if you're in Denmark, can I find you with that street name? No. So it means that if you're going to go outside your local area network, you need to have someone who knows the place. If you're in Denmark, he knows the Denmark streets. So the router is the one who can go outside your LAN and knows how to get there.
By this router, anyone can find.
Wait. Here, we're going to use the Yahoo, and Yahoo is here. So if you tell these computers that I'm going to Yahoo Mail, where is Yahoo? We don't have any Yahoo here. So Do you have to send you the request that's not founded? No. They're going to router. Router, we're going to find Yahoo. Can you find it for us? And with the thing that we're going to describe also today, on spread we talk about it as a DNS, things like that. The router will find the area networks about Yahoos. And because of the ports, port 80, I mean.
Maybe it will.
We are not talking about ports and things. I just want us to remember things. The router will take us to the Yahoo. This is Google. This is anything. So we're going to Yahoo. And after that, we're going to ask Yahoo, do you have mail server? If it was yes, can I use my mail server? If it would be yes, what is your ID? What is your password? That's how can you connect through different routers.
I'm sorry, how many routers there is in Karlskrona, for example?
Could be 100. I don't know. I don't care.
100.
Could be 1,000. How many computers do you have in this building?
So just routers know each other.
Just routers can go outside the building of LAN. I mean, okay.
Okay.
So we've got routers. In routers, just give this picture for me. In the routers, you can say who's allowed to come, who's allowed to go, when you should work, what kind of rules you should have, and things like that. Okay? In routers. And you know, routers is for going outside. Okay? We've got LAN switch and LAN hubs. Both of them are the same. There are some differences. Hub is the same as this cable. If you give him anything, on the other side it will be the same thing. For example, you're using different things for connecting your computer. So it doesn't really matter where you plug it. If it works, it will give you the electricity. So that's hub. It doesn't really matter which socket you're using. But in switch, it matters. For example, just the people, the computers are connected in the first floor can reach server number 1. The others should use server number 2. I don't know. Some rules. But at the moment, you just link both of them together. You know, here's the sign. Anything that comes from here that can go the other way. Can you see the sign, the difference? In here, you've got different communication. It could be from that side, it could be from this side, okay? But in here, it's the cross, so you can go anywhere. So these two are the same, the LAN and hub. Consider it as the same. You're going to talk about different. Servers, as I said, desktop computers, laptops, firewalls, as I said, for security. IP phone is, again, the device. Wireless access points. We don't have any access points here. Have you seen the access points? This is the device that you can connect you to the network.
Our card.
Yeah, it's the same as LAN switch and LAN hub. But in here, you're using cable. For the wireless access point, you're using wireless. But it's the same, exactly the same as these two. But these are wired, these are wireless. Okay? And we also got the wireless router, the same as this one, but it is wireless. In this one, you should plug it. In the wireless, you just need to use it wirelessly. Okay? Media, different media. WAN, LAN, and wireless media. Any problem? Okay, I will give you the break for 15 minutes.